Hello final learning student of class 9th. In this video we will take our discussion further and discuss how we can grow more from the same piece of land. So in last video we have discussed multiple cropping, and in this video we will discuss use of modern farming methods. So number one, let's take number two, modern farming methods. So this is another way of increasing production from the same piece of land by which we can increase our production. So the modern farming methods provide a scientific way of increasing production. Modern farming requires more inputs than traditional farming in India, like we were used to. It requires inputs like chemical fertilizer. So for example, if you use chemical fertilizer, pesticides, pump set, farm machinery, electricity, diesel, and high yielding variety seeds. This is the most important, high yielding variety seeds. So by using these inputs, we can grow more from the same piece of land by adopting these modern farming methods. So I think you have understood the topic modern farming methods, that how we can increase our production from the same piece of land by using modern farming methods. Next we will discuss more of this chapter from the notes as well. So in this notes which I will provide you in the PDF format, here you can see that there are two types of crops in India generally farmer produce. One is your Kharif crop and number two your Rabi crop. What is this? Kharif crop. Those crops which are sown during rainy season are called Kharif crops, like rice, jowar, etc. Now this is the rainy season, so Kharif crop will be sown in the agriculture field. So this is your Kharif crop. Number two, Rabi crop. Those crops which are sown during winter season is known as Rabi crops. An example, wheat. So wheat and rice, there are two most important crop in India. Wheat is your Rabi crop and rice is your Kharif crop. Now let's take some importance of irrigation. That irrigation is very important and essential for the production of crop. So irrigation and its importance. Irrigation is the most essential input required for modern farming method. In fact, modern farming would not be possible without proper irrigation. It requires proper method of irrigation. So how we can do it? By increasing the area under irrigation, farmers can get higher agriculture yield. Number two, more than one crop can be cultivated on the same piece of land with the use of irrigation. Modern farming methods can also be applied. And number four, the farmer will not need to depend on the monsoon. By adopting the correct method of irrigation, farmers can get the benefit out of it. So I think you have understood this topic. So next topics I will cover in the next video. Thank you, students.